Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A50. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box and it looks like this. And otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone this SIM tray. And below that SIM tray you will find a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you will enter that hole. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, if your SIM tray will look like this, you will have the single SIM version. Then you're able just to enter one SIM card and a micro SD card. And let me show you how it works with a SIM card. So it looks like this. So the missing corner has to be on the missing corner and the contacts are below. Okay, as I said, I have the single SIM version here. So in case you have the dual SIM version, you're able also to enter a second SIM card here at this position. Also the same position like the other one. So missing corner, and also the contacts has to be below. So, but let us continue with the single SIM version. So if you have the single SIM version like this, you can also enter a micro SD card. The same way also with the dual SIM version, you can enter a micro SD card in the second position, and it has to look like this then. And the contacts are also below. So in that construction you put just back into the phone. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.